Welcome to our channel EP Experts. Today we are going to talk about hyperautomation in fluid terminals, the next big leap. Fluid terminals are the backbone of industries like oil, chemicals, and LNG. But as demand increases, so do challenges: manual processes, inefficiencies, and safety risks. What if we told you there's a way to completely transform fluid terminal management using hyperautomation? Welcome to the next big leap in logistics and supply chain efficiency. What is hyperautomation? So what exactly is hyperautomation? It's the combination of artificial intelligence, AI, robotic process automation, RPA, IoT, and advanced analytics to create a fully automated, intelligent system. It goes beyond basic automation, learning, adapting, and optimizing operations in real time. AI-driven decision-making, end-to-end process automation, predictive analytics for operational efficiency. How hyperautomation transforms fluid terminals. No more unexpected breakdowns. AI continuously monitors equipment health, predicting failures before they happen, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. With IoT sensors and AI, terminal operators can track fluid levels in real time, preventing shortages or overflows. Hyperautomation synchronizes vessel arrivals, truck dispatching, and loading operations, cutting wait times and boosting efficiency. AI ensures regulatory compliance by automatically monitoring environmental risks, safety procedures, and reporting anomalies. Real-world impact and benefits: higher efficiency, faster workflows with minimal human intervention, cost savings, reduced manual labor and maintenance expenses, improved safety, AI minimizes human errors and enhances risk management, eco-friendly operations, optimized resource usage, and reduced emissions. The future of hyper-automated fluid terminals. Hyperautomation is not just a trend, it's the future of fluid terminal management. As AI and automation continue to evolve, we'll see fully autonomous operations, zero-error logistics, and next-level efficiency. What do you think about hyperautomation in fluid terminals? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. See you in the next video.